Psalm 99. Yahuwah reigneth. Let the people tremble. He sitteth between the cherubims. Let the earth be moved. Yahuwah is great in Zion, and he is high above all the people. Let them praise thy great and terrible name, for it is holy. The king's strength also loveth judgment. Thou dost establish equity. Thou executest judgment and righteousness in Jacob. Exalt ye Yahuwah our Elohim, and worship at his footstool, for he is holy. Moses and Aaron among his priests, and Samuel among them that called upon his name, they called upon Yahuwah, and he answered them. He spake unto them in the cloudy pillar. They kept his testimonies and the ordinance that he gave them. Thou answeredest them, O Yahuwah our Elohim. Thou wast an El that forgavest them, though thou tookest vengeance of their inventions. Exalt Yahuwah our Elohim, and worship at his holy hill, for Yahuwah our Elohim is holy.